Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank you so much for taking your time to stop by. You can like and subscribe and check out the notifications and notification bell and get all the videos sent to you for free. Anyway, so I'm still with a little tiny haul from Walmart and from Joanns. And as you know, I've shown this in my other video that Walmart has, they've always had crafty stuff. But they got a line there too, and I'll show that in a second. But this is, they had the Eileen's, which is the first time I've seen this one there in my Walmart. Stick and Restick. I knew about this product, but it's the first time I've seen it in Walmart, so it's nice to see that. They have so much stuff now, crafty stuff, which of course everybody's trying to be in the craft. They have the resin, all the different stuff. These are the bubble millers, and then I think this is what I got. Just some of the craft bags, paper bags, and this is Hello Hobby. And they have their own little line and of those goodie bags. And then I went to Joanns. Oh no, and I got that from Walmart as well. Just a plastic, what do you call them? Floss bobbins. And then for Joanns, all these receipts, I ain't got that much. They had these $3 for $1, and I still had a coupon too, so I got these little glass bubblegum beads. I just thought it was nice, cute, and colorful. And they had these pom-poms in the clearance bin, and they were on sale for 49 cents instead of 99 cents. And I wish I'd have known it when I picked them up, because I would have got more. I only got those two, but I thought it was $1 each, but they were actually 49 cents. And then, oh, and I got this Versamark. And then these was buy one pack of anything and get two other things, cheaper, less value. So yeah, I got all three of these. So these like the ice cream and coffee, hot dogs and stuff like that, lollipop charms by the Hilda & Joe. And then these your nautical ones, your anchors, and your that thing you steer the boat with, that thing, yeah, the helm, I think, whatever you call it. My mind just went blank. And then these pendants, this is Love, Trust, Dream, Believe, and Freedom. So I only paid for one $4.99, and I got the other two free, which was a great deal. And then I didn't need this, but it was on clearance, and they had it at Michael's for $20, which I wouldn't have paid. But this is the confetti making set. So you get 4 punches, and I got it for 50% off, so that's why I got it. And so in here, just a little punches to make confetti. Yeah. So I got it for $9 instead of for $20. And so here are the 4 little punches, and so just to make some paper confetti. And so that wasn't bad for that many punches. Because $3, it would have been 12, so that was a good deal. I wouldn't have paid $20 for it. But, got to get a deal out of it. But it wasn't bad. Again, just when the pinch when you want to make some paper confetti. So you got your lines, you got your hearts, you got your stars, and you got your circles. Just some small basic shapes. So that is all I got. That little bit of extra stuff. But I appreciate you stopping by. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. And have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Now, Jay, you be creative.